Hi, I'm Ned Nelson from NYTC Noise Stop Systems and Best Build Renovation. I'm here today at one of our sites, which is a golf simulator room that we've created from start to finish. It's almost finished now with a few little touches here and there. The screen needs to be pulled in and a frame to go around the outside, but you can see already the quality of the room. As you can hear, there are no sounds from outside, and that's because of it being soundproofed. The padding behind serves two purposes: one to stop the reflection of the ball, and the other to get rid of echo and reverberation. We've got a beautiful selection of clubs here, ranging from drivers, irons, putters, and if you see behind me, there's a nice little slope for the ball to actually return back to. The system is quite unique. It's a very good simulator system that we're able to install for you at your hotel, entertainment area, whether that's in Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, anywhere around this region, and we even do worldwide installation. One of the key features about this particular setup is that it's actually got a platform that uses pneumatic control systems. So when you actually hit the ball from the tee-off point, it's able to actually change the height and the counter left and right. We've also got an automatic ball feature where the ball can go up and down, so you don't need to wait to tee off. It can do all of that for you. It's also able to basically look at your progress, give you tips, and you've got an app that you can install that allows you to monitor your progress, play with other people online. It's a brilliant system that we've installed. You definitely need to have a decent sized room to get the full benefit. This is a two-player setup, but that's basically what we can offer. As I said, at the bottom here, we've still got to put the framing around so that it looks even better, but that's basically the finished system. Thanks again for watching. If you're interested to know more about our soundproofed and acoustic golf simulator rooms, please send us a message or go to our website. Thanks again. Bye-bye.